can have our dog, but it has to stay in our yard, sleep in our house. But you have to feed it.
Okay.
And clean it up.
Okay.
Alright.
I love dogs.
You want dog food for your dog?
Hello, welcome to another video where it's weird and I don't usually do this. So the video is going to be about making stress balls. I'll tell you how to make stress balls. Okay, first step, get your balloons out. Yeah, make sure you get your balloons. All these balloons. This is how many balloons you need. Just kidding. You can have as many ones. Now, make sure you got like some sort of cone. Things that you can use for making these stress balls are sand, sugar, salt, Orbeez, or slime. Orbeez and slime, maybe you won't need a cone for that, but the rest you will. Okay, so first, get your balloon.
Larger.
Make sure you have a plunger to plunge it all down there. Make one. You just pushing through. You can kind of start to feel that it's turning into a stress ball. The good weight it should be is 100 grams. You can have any grams, but I'm suggesting 100. Okay, don't actually. Make sure you put another balloon over it, just in case it rips.
Alright, Jimmy. You can have our dog, but it has to stay in our yard, sleep in our house. But you have to feed it.
Okay.
And clean it up.
Okay.
Alright.
I love dogs.
You want dog food for your dog?
Jimmy thinks he's so special. He doesn't.
He thinks he's his wife.
What?
Oh my, yeah, he said, I think you're my wife. You wife my wife's dog.
What?
That's what he said.
Oh, shoot, did I rip it again? Oh no, I ripped it again. Oh, now it's mud somehow.
Mud? It melted?
It's mud.
It got wet?
Ugh.
Oh my gosh.
How did it get wet?
see how dirty that is? Pretty dirty. Uh-oh. Rocky. Okay, I'm almost done with my balloon. All I have to do is tie it. I'm done. I made it. Look at this.
How squishy it is.
Well, this is what you should end with when you get it. Okay, this is what you should end with.
I can't see.
Stress ball. This is how you make stress balls. It's not slime or anything. It's just sand. But you can put sand. I already told this at the beginning. Sand, salt, sugar, Orbeez, or slime or whatever else that can work. So there's other things that can work. Okay, I'll tie it. Great.
So, since it's time my balloon, I can care. I don't care.
You don't care? Okay, I can stop tying.
No, I say I don't care if you tie me. I mean, I don't care.
See? So this is a balloon now.
Oh my goodness, it's a baby balloon.
Okay, so I'm gonna watch this. Are you done with yours? Mine's as big as yours already. You can stop tying. You can tie it now. I can tie it now if you want me to. But I'm gonna go wash this and wash my hands. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna clean this mess up because look at all this dirt. Look at all this dirt.
One dirt, catch.
Stop throwing it on there.
Don't break the camera with dirt.
So this is what you should end up with when you're done making the stress balls. You can write with marker on whatever you want, like write anything you want on it if you wanted to. I'm just leaving it blank until I want to write something on it. Squeeze it out as much as you want. Stretch it out, kind of.
Put your finger in it. Make it
You may rip
rock.
it.
Squish it all day.
Really
Put
out.
your finger like this.
Say hi
Make
every
this
day.
thing.
You guys,
Saudis.
that's right. Where's me? Right here.
Look at that. I hope you enjoyed us making these stress balls. And so, goodbye. Bang! Throw it at them.